How to use Snapchat timeline feature. Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on Snapchat. In today's video I'm going to discuss that how you can use the new feature on Snapchat, which is called Snapchat timeline. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application. Once you open your Snapchat application, you need to tap on the camera option, and once you tap on the camera option, here at the side, as you can see, there are many options. So I will just tap on the down arrow option, and as you can see, there is a timeline option added to these options, most of the options that you already know. So guys, we will discuss only the timeline today, so I will just tap on the timeline option. So once I tap on the timeline option, here at the bottom, as you can see, I can record a video. So guys, the timeline feature allows you to record a video up to 1 minute. So you can record a video up to 1 minute in this one, and you can record your video in segments, like you can record your video in parts. So this is a very cool feature where you can create your own creative videos, like shooting the video in different time. You can shoot a segment right now, and then you can shoot another segment after some time. The next thing is that you can add music as well. So guys, you can record a video, or you can even choose a video file from your gallery, just tapping on the option at the left side, and you can select a video and add it to the new timeline feature. So I will just record a video just for tutorial purpose, and I will just hold on, and as you can see, I recorded the one part, the one segment, and then I can record another segment. And at the bottom, as you can see, the segments are differentiated. The bar, as you can see down there, the yellow bar, and I will record the third one. So guys, if you want to undo, there is an option you just tap on, and that one part that you have recorded will be undo. You can do it one more time. So that is also a very good feature. So I will record the third one just for the tutorial purpose. And once you are done, the next thing that you can add music as well. As you can see, add sound, you need to just tap on add sound, and you can select any sound from here. I will tap on this one, and then I will tap on next. And now the sound has been added to the video. The next thing I can do is that I will select the specific part of that audio file that you want. You can just scroll it to the left or to the right, and once you selected the right part, depending on your preference. So guys, if you're done with all the recording and everything is perfect, you need to tap on the tick mark, the yellow tick mark at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on that one, and as you can see, the music file is here. As you can see, you can move it anywhere. The next thing that I want to show you is here. As you can see guys, I recorded the video in 3 segments, and I can choose every segment differently, and I can edit it like using the text option here. As you can add any text. You can add actually some cool stickers as well to each and every one. You can add a music, or if you want to change it. And the next thing is that you can do it for each and every segment of the video. So guys, the other most important thing that I want to discuss is the plus sign. As you can see at the right side, if you tap on the plus sign, it will bring you back to this page, and here you can record another segment if you want, if there is space remaining on the timeline, and you can tap on again here. So that will bring you here to the editing one. So once you're done, as you can see down there, there are options now. You can actually download this video, and you can actually post it on your Snapchat story. The option is here at the bottom. Or if you want to tap on the arrow at the bottom right corner, once you tap on here, you can actually have more option here. You can add it as my story, you can add it as on Snap Map as well, you can add it there as well, you can send it to your contacts as well here. So guys, this is it. This is all about the timeline feature on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notification. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.